In this module, we'll cover the topic of capital gain. Capital gain is an increase in the value of a capital asset, investment, or real estate. Over time, that gives it a higher worth than the purchase price. The gain is not realized until the asset is sold. Capital gain may be short-term, 1 year or less, or long-term, more than 1 year, and must be claimed on income taxes. Capital gains may also refer to as a different form of profit received from an asset, which refers to investment income, in the form of cash flow or passive income that arises in relation to real assets such as property, financial assets such as shares or stocks or bonds, and intangible assets. To illustrate this, let us take a real-life example. In 2011, X invested $160,000 for an apartment unit in Area Z. 2 years later, the unit's value has appreciated by at least 100% to $325,000. This means that X's return on investment based on capital gains is $165,000 in the period of 2 years. The main reason behind the asset's value appreciation is due to its fairly limited units in a very strategic location, where the location also seemed to be a hotspot for expatriates. There are several factors that may contribute to an asset's value appreciation. These factors are location, amenities like supermarkets, stores, shopping malls, schools, accessibility, distance from the city center, availability of public transport, future development, future prospects for commercial and governmental development. Calculating rental yields and capital gains, as well as determining the financial implications before investing in real estate, is a must. It can be complicated, especially if you're relatively new in the field. Run and know your numbers, then seek for professional advice before making an important decision.